Hello! We're back. Back on track. Welcome everybody. Let's see the market open in about a minute. Let's start the show. All right. We have some cool levels here. 388 would be relative equal highs up there, so be careful, watch out. If you look to the left, obviously there's still places to go. So let me get this off here. Yeah, definitely. There's a gap at 278.2. All right, let's get ready. Here it comes. The market is open. Naomi, hello there. Good morning. The market is open. Looking for any kind of possible targets on the downside as well. Didn't see anything. I think it just wants to continue higher. There's a gap up there, I think. But we'll see. Wonder if it wants to go to that 78 up there. It did almost push higher, yeah. Almost did. Could have actually gone higher on the mini, but it didn't. I'll be watching for the 278 up there. Just gonna make sure if that level is correct, if it wants to continue. So this is a 1 hour fair value gap, just saying. Made relative equal highs, sweeping liquidity from down here. And it's doing the job. I mean, so far it looked like it might want to go. Maybe not. If it's not going, it's cool too. And I would be curious of what will the next move be. Could be a major drop incoming. We have highs up there. We have a gap up there. Seems to me it might want to sweep the lows at 75. Not sure. Or below 75. if we can consider that a sweep. I think it did. Yeah, it swept it. And now the question remains, is it gonna go even higher than this? Somehow I have the feeling that it wants to pop that 55 up there. If any one of you want to scalp it, just be careful. It's super dangerous in my opinion. Let's look at the 5-minute. It's safer. Okay, taking liquidity from this area. There's no first fair value gap as of now. I'm looking at the top here at 255. I have a feeling that it might want to go up there, but gotta be careful. This is a 5/15 minute fair value gap currently. I don't see any order block to the left that is relevant, or that is relevant. Maybe we can call this down here London low, but it's not like a perfect London low. Can it be a London low? Okay, so we have a possible first fair value gap scenario here. And still dropping lower. The price is a little bit unpredictable, in my opinion, right now. Still going down. No order blocks. Very strong push. Not interested, anticipating in this. I mean, joining in this move, but I think it might. I mean, it could possibly go for that London low. Okay. Didn't go down for this fair value gap here at 94.75. Not yet, at least. Don't chase it. $15-minute, nothing. Everybody wants to go down to close this gap, I think. Everybody wants to see that. Okay, there's the 5-minute gap. Could this be a continuation? Maybe. And there she go. So, all right. Nice little drop. Maybe I missed the move here. There's a 65 level down there ready to be taken out. But I don't want to jump in. Down at the midnight level. Gold is seemingly trying here to go higher. Trying with a push. NQ wants to take that London low, I guess. Yeah. There you go. London low, baby. Or maybe not. It was close, but it didn't go through it. Expect a bounce here. Just like this. Okay. Macro is coming in 7 minutes, I think. Sellers are still trying to push it through the London low. Might gonna work out, maybe not. Oh, they did. Okay. And what's lower? We have the gap. A little bit lower. I would say this was the opening move. Now comes the good question. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Picked up liquidity from the fair value gap. The 15-minute doesn't show anything here. The high is... Oh, actually, you know what? This is an order block. Also on the mini, maybe? Oh yeah, this is an order block. Alright, that's fun. We just created a 15-minute order block up there. Let's just delete that. Open is 25, 183.25. Alright, this would be a bearish order block. 15 minutes. Okay. Looks like it might want to go for the gap. That is interesting. I think I might be looking for possible long positions. Breaking the 85 maybe? That would be fun. Or it could be fun. Is this gonna try to break the high there? It did. All right. So we have a structure shift. We have a possible structure shift to the upside. What if we want to take a long position to travel back to the good old first fair value gap? Who wants to take that ride? Oh, it wants to go. All right. I took a long position. Let's see what it does. Martin, hello, good morning. What's going on? Good to see you. Yeah, the London trade was a winner. It was a full TP, $200 on a funded account. So yeah, it was a winner. And I really liked that trade. That was cool. That was a good one. Hey, Michael, what up? Once you said you use Wise for payouts. Yes, I use Wise, Revolut, my personal bank account, everything. Yeah, Michael. Exactly. Depending on which prop firm, you know. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Michael. Escape the Matrix, what's going on? Digital bank, yeah. It's a digital bank. So basically it's your own account. It's under your name. You have your own account number, everything. It's a digital bank. I mean, there are quite a few digital banks now, I think, not just Wise and Revolut, but there are some new ones, depending on where you live. Depending on where you live. Exactly, Michael. Exactly. You can send not just to your account, to anywhere, technically. To anywhere. 15 days with normal bank wire, and with Wise just 1 or 2 days. So I decide, yeah, some of these prop firms, including Take Profit Trader, also using Wise. So that's why it's wise to have a Wise account. But yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I think Bulenox is using Wise. Take Profit Trader is using Wise. What else that I know of? And I'm sure some other prop firms are also using Wise too. I think. Hey, no problem, Michael. Absolutely, absolutely. And from Wise you can send it anywhere. And because they have a Wise account, like for example, Take Profit Trader has a Wise account, and you have a Wise account. Just an example. When they click on send, it should be on your account like instantly. When somebody clicks send, it's like an instant transfer, most likely. If you also have a USD account inside Wise, usually these transactions are very fast. And I was really hoping for this trade. Oh, yeah, you don't have to wait. Exactly. That's the best thing. You don't have to wait at the dealership. By the way, Funded Futures Network is 50% off and no activation fee. Just saying, 50% off, no activation fee. Funded Futures Network. I don't know for how long. Till 25th? Okay. Okay, then we have time. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Then we have time. Okay, we have the new hour. I wonder what's it gonna be. Interesting level. Very interesting level. Okay, what is going on? Are we going up? Is this the move? That we are waiting? I would say, yeah. This could be the one. Let's go. Almost up there. Should be breaking that level now. There you go. London could get paid today. Yeah. News McBoots is here. Hello there. What is happening? Sabotage. Welcome to the sabotage. The sabotage. I'm looking for the first fair value gap here, by the way. Ludafish Savage, what is going on? Where have you guys been? How was the weekend, everyone? What just happened? Okay. All right, I just had an awesome move here on 3 new take profit trader accounts. Although these are just evals. All right, made 4,500 on this new take profit trader account. Also made and by not copy trading, this one only made $4,000, but I'm gonna catch up on that. And this one made almost 5,500. So that's cool. Okay. I just scalped a little bit extra here. So all the accounts are up now. I just scalped a little bit there. So now this is also up $4,440. So 3 out of 3 new accounts, because these are brand new, made it to the 50% consistency rule and even more. This one I have to lose $20 from this. I have to lose 20 bucks. Nice. What a day. What a day. Made 3,750. So the SMT divergence is the key. Good job there, Martin. What can I say? You always, I mean, you definitely always know what to do or what to call out for. Congratulations. That's a hell of a good job. That's a hell of a good job there. Okay, so we're back to the first fair value gap, and there is an order block at 183. So I think the ride is not over yet. The ride is not over yet, but 183 is a 15-minute order block neckline, and I think we're gonna go higher than that. Okay. So here we're gonna have a 5-minute order block. It seems like. Not order block, man. Fair value gap. Come on. I'm super tired again. So 5-minute fair value gap has been taken now. What's it gonna do? Is it gonna try to move higher, or is it gonna go for that 924? $183. Yeah, I entered the long position, targeting that 180 to 75. Back to the order block. And maybe higher. It's a risky one, but it's okay. Only one micro. Yeah, if it fails, then we most likely gonna go to 924 maybe. Anyway, it's definitely it's a risky trade. Actually, it can go even higher. Maybe not. Yeah, exactly. Let's see. I'm gonna move this up there. Let's see what it's doing, or what's it gonna do. Hmm. Oh, it seems like there's a new promo on the eval to live accounts on MyFundedFutures, 40% off. Wow. Okay. For $266, you can go on the one-step program evaluation to live. I'm gonna check the details. This could be the one. It's having a hard time breaking higher here. If it fails, I think we have a good chance to go down for that 920s. Yeah, seems like it. Not gonna be able to hold it. I would be surprised if this one would survive this trade. I don't know how is this still on. I have no idea how this trade is still there. Should have hit the stop. I have no freaking idea how is this possible that it's still there. Hey Jonathan, yeah, it moves again. Yeah, it can do crazy moves again. Better size down. How's it going? How's it going? But I think it's weak now. It should be making new lows here. It's trying to go for that push to the order block. Yeah, it's good. No problem. No problem. It's fine. Hey Komodo, good to see you again. Oh, I see that. Oh man, awesome to have you back. Things looking better? Exactly, it's a slow process. Dude, good to have you back here. Good to see you. Hope you learned a lot. Good to see you back. Oh man, it took me out and now goes higher. The FOMO. The FOMO. Still not going higher. Bullish engulfing on the 1 minute. It's kind of a bullish sign. I re-entered the trade, this time on a different account. I don't know why though. So I'm only targeting the order block here. Nothing special. The stop is, I think it's in a reasonable place on a 5-minute swing. if it wants to go for the order block, it should be pushing into the 80s. 180s, that is. Learn to sit on the hands. That's the most, that skill is like the most important of all, I would say. That's the most important skill. Learn to sit on your hands. That is extremely important. Well, it's not going. It's getting heavier. I think I thought that it wants to move back to that 15-minute order block, but so far it's not. I saw an advert saying Funded Next is opening a futures prop firm on the 17th. Wow, I didn't hear that. That's brand new information for me. If that's true, I am definitely checking it out. Funded Next Futures. Okay, thank you for the info. That is... Oh, I see that. Okay. Now they have a futures thing right there. Nice. Nice. That's good news. This month, I think. I'm super excited because, I mean, Funded Next so far is one of the largest Forex prop firms, although they are being operated from Dubai, which is, in a way, it's not a bad thing, mostly for some European countries. And so that, for me, is actually good. That's good. Good to know. That is good to know. Because I didn't have funds to pay. Oh, they extended the link. That's good. That's good. That's good. At least they extended it, so. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move this. So far looking okay. I'm still hoping for that push into the order block. What's the risk with the device on the 25k account? I would go with like really the smallest size you can. So I know it's a small progress, Komodo, but I would go with 1 micro on a 25k account. 1 micro just to keep it, and slowly make progress. 1 or 2 micros, that's it. That's it. That's more than enough, especially in these market conditions. If you take a trade in New York, then 50 points move can happen any moment. And so with 1 micro, that's also $100. So I wouldn't go more than 1 or maximum 2 micro with a tight stop. That's it on a 25k account. That's how I would go with or go by. Karsten, hey. Yes, I'm long. I'm long on this one. There's an order block on the 15-minute. And also we have, almost relative equal high. We have a 1 hour fair value gap up there. So on the 15-minute chart, there is an order block. The neckline starts at 83.25 on the micro. Not sure where it's on the mini. Open is 83 on the mini. So I'm looking for that. If it's not gonna go for it, then it is what it is. Maybe the market wants to squeeze all the shorts before closing the gap. You too? All right. It's a small risk trade, but it's on a funded account. Overall today, I have a fairly I have a good day. So I made some good profits at the open and before the New York session by scalping. So I don't really want to give back too much to the market. So right here, I'm just going with the lowest as possible. If I make this, I can make around $200. Yeah. So it would make more sense if the market would push it to the order block. You know, definitely there are orders above 177. There has to be, and just next to it is the order block. So that would make a lot of sense from the market. And so far, where my stop is, there's a 5-minute swing low. This was holding pretty nicely, so that's a good sign. And we have, what do we have? Well, we have the first fair value gap up there as well. But anyway, it would make more logic, especially after the open. I mean, look at that. This is basically the opening range high, so it can also go to the 250s. But the low hanging fruit would be the order block, I think. Vivian, hello. Good to see you. How's it going? How's trading nowadays, Vivian? Now we have at least two Vivians. Are you the Vivian from Hungary or not? Oh, let's see this push. I got the cold a little bit. You're from Florida. Okay, we have another Vivian from Hungary. I always mixing the names, but you're Florida. Okay. Yeah, the weekend was great. The weekend was absolutely great. I hope you had a good weekend too. I got the cold a little bit, but it's all right. I'm going to be fine for tomorrow. All right. Let's go. It's going. It's going. This was actually a good. I mean, whatever happens after this, even if it goes down, at least the entry was good. What's it gonna do? It has to push. It just needs to push. There's no way around it. There's just no way around it. I'll be right back. I have to get something. Just a minute. All right. Let's see. What's it gonna be? We should be moving there. All right. Come on, let's go to that order block. We just need to go there, that's all. It's very simple. It's a simple task to do. It will go there, by the way. Just saying. It will go there. It's a fact. We're gonna hit 81.50. Just saying. Where is your fair value gap? That's a good question. My fair value gap that I utilized on this trade. Now this trade is based on the 5 minute. First of all. So on the 5 minute, this is the 5 minute. I'm gonna zoom out just a second. So here is the fair value gap that I used. Right there. But then it got lower. And basically, I just entered. Let me show you. So right after it made a low, it started to come back. We have a gap here. It's almost like an inversion, but it's not. But as soon as it got back there, I was a little bit fast on this one, anticipating that it should be going. So I jumped in, but anyway. That was the idea. The final idea is the 15-minute order block. This is the 15-minute chart, and here's the order block. Starting at 83 here, this candle, 9:15 candle, that's the order block. And my idea is to retest the order block. So I'm getting out earlier at 81.50. I'm not waiting for 83. I'm pulling the parachute at 81.50. I don't care about 83. Obviously, this high should be squeezed because there's lots of orders above 77, and then we're just one step away from the order block. Oh no. I mean, yeah, I was actually expecting some pullbacks and liquidity sweeps. Now we can also go down to 112 or I don't know, this area 113 to sweep liquidity and then go higher to 181. It's gonna get hit, just saying. We're gonna go there. It's a fact. 81.50 is going to be taken. It's just a fact. It is gonna get hit. Sooner or later. Maybe not this year. Maybe next year, but it's gonna get hit. Come on, 180, 150. Come on, baby. Push it. 10 points now, baby. Come on. 10 points push, baby. Come on, baby. I need that push. I need that push, baby. Still not there. teasing. Teasing. Come on, hit that order block. It didn't go above 77, right? The high here was 77 and the high here 77.25, so it didn't go up there. It's still valid. So we need one more push. We're gonna have it, don't worry guys. It's gonna happen. It's inevitable. Macro is coming, so worst case scenario, even if we pull down, the macro should be testing the order block. So I'm not worried. Martin is here. We're gonna be just fine. Sit back, relax, smoke a cigar, and just wait for it. That's it. Yeah, this is high resistance. Yeah. So we might be sitting in this one for the next 20 minutes or even more. Yeah, NQ. Don't do me dirty now. Come on, NQ. We agreed upon something, all right? NQ. We agreed upon that you're going to do what your job is, and I'm going to say nice things about you. That's what we agreed upon. All you need to do is push it to the 80s. That's all. Simple task. Very simple. Nothing else needs to be done here, NQ. What you do after that, it's up to you. I'm not going to judge. All I need you to do is push to the 80s. That's it. The sun is shining again, so you know what time it is. I was lazy to get the switch for the shaders. All right. Come on, NQ. I'm trying to convince NQ. It's not listening to me right now. But it's all right. All right, you know what, NQ? Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal, NQ. Go down, sweep 110. All right? Go down. Just go down. All right? I'm going to let you do that. Sweep 110. And then go up to the 180s. All right? I'll let you do that. All right? That's it. Just do it. Do it for me. Come on. All right. I mean, you can go first to the 180s. I don't care. I mean, that's good too. I don't see anything. The same talk. All right. With ES, yeah. High resistance liquidity run. Not exactly the thing I was looking for. Oh, that's it. Yeah, I just found it.
Go.
It's not going for it, man. What can I do? No, we're gonna go for it. We're definitely gonna go for it. All right, 180, 150 Nasdaq, and we'll be friends forever. I mean, at least for today. All right, we'll be friends. I'm gonna say nice things. Come on. $81.50. That's all I want. Do it. Do it, thank you. DEW. Do it. What's the time? Come on, macro. Come on, macro. I'm switching between. Okay. Now the sun comes back again. All right, back to this, back with the sunglasses. Oh, NQ. Come on. We have the macro now. Push it up there to the 80s. I know you want it. I know you want it. Just push it. One little push. Come on. I need it to go up there. I think I will be good for Batman. Come on, NQ. One push. Come on. Let's go, baby. Yeah. NQ, you're the best. Thank you, NQ. What's happening, Naomi? Was this trade a little bit frustrating? I guess it was. I went for the switch, so now I'm pulling off the roll. What is this? I don't know what's it called anyway. I don't need the sunglasses now. Oh, I sneezed. Man, this cold really got me. Okay. Nice. So we're back to the order block, which is awesome. And from here, I have no freaking idea. Two things can happen. One is that we are breaking the order block, obviously, or we're switching structure or breaking structure and moving down to the gap at 924. All right. If someone is holding a long position or a runner, if I would be holding a runner, I would be keeping it until the 250s, 250-ish area. Okay. Let's see. Okay, is it gonna be a reversal? I'm not sure yet. I am not sure yet. Could be a continuation as well. There's a flat candle there. Oh, it's not a flat candle, but I still don't like it. Wow, what a drop here. It was a perfect hit to the order block. But you know what? I think it can sweep orders below 113 and then maybe try again. There's a small gap here. Starting at 114. 114. So there's a 5-minute gap there. It actually didn't go down there yet. Quite interesting. I thought it wants to go down and pick up liquidity. But it didn't. Or did it? Hmm. Hey Isham, what's going on? What is going on? Welcome. Sorry, I was just watching the charts here as usual, trying to figure out what this one wants to do. Maybe to get a scalp trade or whatever. Do we have news or anything? Seems to be wiggling a lot. Maybe Trump said something. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, now no, it's gonna be later when that FOMC member is speaking, but it's gonna be later on, I think. Nice. Oh, that's gonna be 1 p.m. All right. Waller. Yeah. It's gonna be 1 p.m. So far today, I'm doing extremely good. I am super happy about the day so far. So this one, the MyFundedFutures account is still in recovery mode, but at least I made $200 on it. This is a funded account. This one, I only made $65, but it's ready for payout. So I'm gonna request a payout from that. This one has made $150 on Apex. It's almost a new account, $407. This one made $352 today, so I'm happy about that. This one made $164. This is also new. This account made almost $200. Yeah, and it's up to $1,000. Yeah, it's a long way, but the real thing is that the Bulenox accounts getting closer to payout. This one is up to above 2,500. This one is at 2,769. Also made 200 here. And this one is about $3,167. And the day traders account today made $638. I'm gonna request $2,000 from this. And the new take profit trader evaluations, I just made 4,500 on each of these evals. These are 150Ks, and yeah, but there's a 50% consistency rule, so that's why I would say 3 out of 3 is good. I really need to do something about the MyFundedFutures account. I need to recover that somehow. Need to get payouts from MyFundedFutures. Fortnite is forever, but not for me. I like PUBG. Can you buy an eval with your PayPal balance, or does it force you to take it from your credit? No, I can buy eval with my PayPal balance. It's not forcing me to use debit card or credit card. Yeah, so no issue with that. At those prop firms which allow PayPal, I can use my PayPal balance. Yeah. Maybe if there's an issue on your end, I mean, maybe there could be some restriction on your PayPal balance if you cannot use it for payment. Maybe you can ask PayPal support. Referring to TPT here for PayPal. Oh yeah, so no issue, absolutely. But if you're unable to use your PayPal balance, then maybe there's something at PayPal. So not with Take Profit Trader. I don't know. Just guessing. Maybe there is some restrictions or something for buying. I'm not sure. Just saying. But there were no issue. Yeah, I think I bought with PayPal. Not now, but like quite some time ago. But there was no issue. Usually I use my debit card. Take you to make this profit with your account, day traders with micro. I can show you actually. So here's my day traders account, and here's the first trading day, and this is on TradesWiz. Today has not been synchronized yet, so today is not here. But as I showed you, how much did I make today? This is my first funded account, by the way, ever with day traders. So my very first funded account. And so today I made $638. So as you can see, 264, 812. This is not a trading. I mean, this doesn't count because there's a rule at trading day. Qualified trading days are only the ones that are above $200. Okay. So just keep that in mind with day traders. Again, let me repeat. Qualified trading days are only above $200. So just like with Top Step, but you gotta have minimum 8 trading days. So that's the catch. But the good thing is that you can withdraw from your safety net. I specifically asked it from support. And you can withdraw from your safety net. So here was a good day. Obviously, as you can see, 43% win ratio. I was going crazy. Look at how many micros I was scalping with micros all around. 14 trades. This was a crazy day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 trading days total until I get to $2,000 withdrawal. Basically $3,041 here. And now we're going for, by the way, we're going for a new low. It seems like it. Does Revolut work? Yes, it works, Tudor. It works. Revolut works with Take Profit Trader. I have a balance in there, but I just changed the settings today. Yeah, definitely. You have to check something on your settings with PayPal. There should be an issue there, or could be. I experimented micro today, not so bad. Yeah, I mean, less, Lamin, what I can say is definitely less pressure and less stress. And that's the only way I can do it. I mean, hey, I think so far one of the best runs I had is with day traders. The very first funded account ever with day traders, and it's ready for payout. So I am super happy for it. And I mean, yeah, there was some close situations where I could have burned some balance there, but yeah, just like with Top Step. But the only harder thing is that you have to make 8 days. But the good thing is that you can request anytime if you have the 8 days, and you can request from your safety net. So that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Lot of pressure with the minis. Okay, picked up liquidity. It seems like it's still going lower. I don't see a target there that I want to go with. If you jumping into a short, be careful with the bounce. Okay, the order block actually repelled price from up there, so we're still could be dropping way below like 35 and then even lower. Yeah, so I have a sell side liquidity. Let's see, hold on. I'm not sure if we can call 924 Asia low, but let's call it. Otherwise, I would call the real Asia low. I would like to call it this one. Oh, sorry. Come on. This one. 956.50. I would call this the real Asia low because the markets, the Asia markets, were definitely open by this time and it went lower. So I would call 956 the Asia low. Is it going to go there? I have no idea. No idea. The thing is, the 50-minute order block reacted nicely. I mean, the price reacted nicely to the order block. And if it has a strong rejection, the market may try again to pull it up there and attack the order block. And then maybe goes down. So that's the scenario that I'm actually not saying it will happen, but I'm afraid that this could happen. It's a possibility. Yeah, 956 would be the real Asia low, in my opinion. 956. So if it breaks, I would say if it breaks this 35-ish area or the London low, we don't even care about the London low anymore. If it breaks this 35 with the down close candle, we have a good chance to go to 956. But now you gotta be careful. Although you can be watching the candles here. This one is a very nice bearish formation. Even if you want to scalp a little bit, it could be a good opportunity to go for at least a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Just be careful. Suspicious of that 824 to at the bottom of. Oh yeah. Oh definitely. Yeah. They're going for a gap fill. Okay then. Look at that. I think it wants to go lower. Now, I mean, for scalpers, I am not gonna enter into a trade, that's for sure. No way, sir. I just cannot enter a trade. Look at that. It's going down. It does look like it might want to try to go down. But, you know. And there she goes. For scalping, these opportunities are good for scalping, but because the range is really much, I mean, a little bit unpredictable, but 956, why not? If you're targeting the Asia low, I would take an early profit somewhere in the 960s, okay? So if you are going for the Asia low, I would definitely take my final TP somewhere around 64.5-ish area before, because there could be a bounce. So if it starts to, if it starts to go down, there could be like a bounce, and that's why. There could be a bounce, and I like to take profit somewhere in the 60s. But I'm not in a trade. So yeah, it's too risky, green. Yeah, it's this is not my type of entry. Maybe I shoulda, coulda, woulda entered here, up there, at the 140s, but I just exited from a long setup. So, but entering down here, it's possible, but it's a lower probability setup for me. I'm not saying it can't go, but go with small size. You know, go with small size. That's what you can do. Got taken out on break even, and it dumped straight down. Yeah, that's why I'm saying it's a little bit unpredictable. Fortnite is forever. No, I'm not playing Fortnite. It's not for me. But it's slowly going down. That could mean something. Look at this, going down. It's going down. Well, not much to do with this. I wish I could say we can do something here, but not much. That's pretty much it, everybody. Ladies and gents, let's recap what happened here. Obviously, you know. So we went back to the first fair value gap. I took those trades on. I took that trade on evaluation, so that was awesome. And then I tried to go long, stopped me out, and then long again on a different account. But I mean, eventually we hit the order block up there. We have Asia lows, and we have an order block high. Anything can happen. I don't have my optimal entry level here, and I don't like both of these. I mean, I'm not gonna sit throughout the PM session while it decides what to do here. I'm not jumping into a short here. The range is not good, so I think I'm gonna call it with that. Thank you so much, but I think this is it. So everybody, it was a great session. I'm calling it here. I'll be back tomorrow in the London session and New York too. London and New York. Thank you everybody for watching. This was an awesome session. Yeah, in the green. I'm not giving back anything to the market, so it was a good day. Everybody, I really appreciate all the support. Don't forget 50% off with Funded Futures Network with no activation fee. Check it out. The same code goes there. You can use Tom Sabo for the best available discount and resets too. Check out MyFundedFutures 5 to 40 or 40%. I think the straight to, I mean, eval to live or something. But they have also a sale going on, at least 5%. Take Profit Trader, no activation, 30% off. And of course, most of these prop firms, I have the same code. Check it out, except TRADEIFY. If you'd like to get TRADEIFY, please click on my link first and use the monthly code, which is SPRING. Okay. Thank you everybody for the support. I really do appreciate. I'm gonna go now. But first of all, God bless you all, and I'll be back tomorrow for London. All right. Cheers, everybody.